Ready to transform your bedroom without breaking the bank? Let's create a stunning wooden headboard for under $100. Wooden headboards are versatile, working with any bed size and complementing various styles from rustic to modern. Gather your materials: wood planks, screws, wood glue, sandpaper, and stain or paint. Let's get started. Measure from your mattress top, adding 24 inches for ideal headboard height. Next, we'll add back pieces for stability. Assemble the frame using finish nails and wood glue. Once dry, fill nail holes and sand for a smooth finish. For finishing, a light gray stain offers a modern touch. Feel free to experiment with colors matching your decor. Learn how to securely hang your headboard on the wall. This design adapts to any bed size. Keep costs under $100 by using reclaimed wood or shopping sales. Achieve a high-end look without the price tag. Get inspired to personalize your headboard. Add trim, shelves, or unique finishes to make it truly yours. Ready to start your headboard project? Click the link below for more DIY inspiration.